Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. Today is a disc mystery box opening. This is the 2021 Ledgestone box. First impressions, man, not really that impressive. No color, no even thing except that it says Ledgestone right there on it. So yeah, that's fine. It's just a box that shipped here. Packaging looks okay. They put a couple of pieces of tape all over it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Handy dandy box cutter, one side, two sides, and here we go. Drum roll please. So you open it up, looks like you get a Yuli Velcro patch, so that's kind of cool. And then you get your Ledgestone shirt. This one's a large, pretty awesome. Not sure if there's anything on the back, but not bad. So got some merch so far. And the disc on top, got a Page Pierce Fierce. I actually throw this pretty often. I have the Tour Series one. This one feels just kind of like the regular one, so not too bad. Then looks like we got a blood stamp Avenger SS. It does look like it might be a misprint. For sure right down here you can't really read Discraft, but pretty cool. Nice color, 170, 172. Not a great weight for a Avenger SS since it's kind of flippy already. This one's cool looking. This is a Game of Buzz. I'm guessing to go with the Game of Thrones. 177, I like that. Not certain what plastic this one is. It's kind of grippy. Don't like green. But that's at least a bright green, so if it is in the grass and your grass doesn't look like that, not too bad. Looks like we got a putter. Oh, it's a Focus. The Crazy Tough. 170, 172. That's not too bad. Cool looking stamp. Ooh, I like white disc because you can dye them. In fact, if you haven't seen any of my dye disc videos, I'll put a link right up here, and this would be a really great one. Don't really throw a crush, but it's a big Z. 173, 174. A good little distance driver right there. Cool stamp. I like it. Last and certainly not least, we have a Comet. And I don't know if I've ever thrown a Comet. 177 plus. And so this is a rubber blend, American flag kind of stamp going on. That's pretty cool. So we got that Comet. Crush. We have a Focus here. We have that cool looking Buzz. Then we have a TI Swirl Avenger SS and kind of just the regular Fierce. And so that right there is the 2021 Ledgestone disc and shirt and patch for that mystery box that just came out. Hope you guys like this on Monday of this coming week, so you may already be there if you aren't watching this when I release this one. We are getting our Disc Mania box in the mail. Super excited. Hope to post that one that day, so Monday is the goal on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any comments, any suggestions or anything for future videos. Have a good one.